What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode. Please like the video and subscribe. Our target is only 1,000 likes. So a group led by Symphony Technology Group managing partner William Chisholm, I hope I pronounced it correctly, has agreed to purchase the Boston Celtics for at least $6.1 billion, which would make the sale the richest in US major sports history, though it remains unclear when the deal will be closed and how the deal will be structured. But the $6.1 billion valuation would set the US major sports league record, coming in just ahead of the $6.05 billion that a group led by Josh Harris spent to buy the Washington Commanders in 2023. Boston Basketball Partners LLC announced last summer that it intended to sell the majority of the Celtics either last year or early this year, then sell the balance of its shares in 2028. Grusbeck, whose family leads the ownership group, is expected to remain the Celtics governor until the sale is complete. Remember, Grusbeck Group bought the Celtics for $360 million back in 2002. The $6.1 billion figure would also top by a big margin recent NBA franchise sales. In 2023, the Phoenix Suns were purchased by a mortgage firm owner Matt Ishbia for $4 billion. The Milwaukee Bucks were sold to Cleveland Browns owners Jimmy and Dee Haslam for $3.5 billion. And Mark Cuban agreed to the sale of the majority of his Dallas Mavericks ownership shares to Miriam Adelson and son-in-law Patrick Dumont, who operates the Las Vegas Sands Casino Company, for $3.5 billion. Boston Celtics star player Jason Tatum made strong remarks about the new ownership a few days ago. He did this after the team's recent road trip. Tatum had a brief Q&A session with the media following their win against the Miami Heat. He was asked if there were any specific qualities or approaches the franchise hoped the new owner would have when taking over the team. Answering, "I don't know, I look forward to whoever it is. I trust the outgoing ownership because they understand the culture we've set and we've had." With his message, Tatum also emphasized the importance of maintaining and improving the team's culture. He expressed full confidence in the decisions of the former majority owner and co-owner, trusting the franchise would land in capable hands.